show ya. Wish for me to call you when you're turning me on. The way you telling me you want me down.
All right, y'all, so I am about to get my nails done, get this fixed. Horrible. I slammed something on my hand yesterday at work and it made my nail break, so that's that. I'm getting my nails done by Sugar Nails. Just waiting. Just waiting on her to come get me. But yeah, I'm just gonna get something a little bit more winter like anyways. This is what I had before. It was super plain. I just want something a little, I was gonna get a fill-in anyways, but now I have to because my nail is broke. So I'm gonna get something like Christmas something a little Christmassy. 993 I'm back from getting my nails done. I'm actually cleaning up my room from creating all those reels today. Just a hot mess. These 3 items are from the Shein fashion haul I recently did, but I'm about to return 3 of those items because they just were not it. I need to double check though. Let me try on one more time just to make sure I really don't like it, because I think I really don't like them. So this is that first one again. This is the purple one. Like, it just doesn't make sense to me. It's not that bad, but I can't see myself wearing this anytime soon. Like, I don't know, when do I ever wear purple? But it's not horrible. I do like the style of it. It's just the color is just so purple. Like, I wish it was more burgundy. But then again, will I ever wear this is the question. This part is just weird. Will I wear this? Will I wear this? This is a very elegant dress though. And the shoulder pads. What do y'all think? Should I keep this? Yes. Okay, here goes the next dress, y'all. Like, I don't girl. This is not what it looked like in the picture. The arms are horrible. This, I don't understand what this is. It's a collar, it's a turtleneck, it's what? And then this just stops right here. And it's not a size small, so I don't understand. Like, it could have been cute, but no. No. I love the bottom though. The flowiness of the bottom is cute. They just, everything else. Like this, like I feel like I'm Amish or something. So I think I definitely need to return this. And then here's the last dress, very similar to the other one, just not. I don't know. Nope. I feel like I'm supposed to be pregnant in this. I don't know. This is definitely going back. This just isn't even give anything but flop. Just a flop. So yeah, that's my little try on haul for returns. I'm actually about to put them in the package right now to return them. As you can see, I got the 2 in there already. Here's the return slip. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and discard those dresses ASAP.